What did you do last weekend?
I worked.
Last weekend I went running in the park. I had drinks with friends. I read the paper. I relaxed.
I went to see a movie and yes, with my friend, and I went to have some dinner with her.
How about yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
Well, yesterday it rained all day in New York, so I just went to the public library.
This past weekend, what was the weather like?
It was nice, sunny, pleasant.
Yeah? So you enjoyed it?
Yes, I did.
You were outside?
I was outside working, yes.
Yeah.
But enjoying it.
It was, last weekend, it was not too good. It was raining, but I think Sunday was pretty good. It was sunny.
The weather was great.
That sounds really nice.
It was really nice.
Did you have a good time?
I did have a good time.